I'm going back here.
It's Chloe and I'm playing the piano.
That's it?
Yep.
You ready? Yep. Can you guys do the same thing? But come a little bit more this way because I want only lockers behind you, and I'm there. And the same thing right there. Cool. Jeffrey, you can probably come here. Cool. Let's do the same thing. Great. Good. And then when you're done with that, drop it, and I'm going to come in and just do really tight of all your heads. And then everyone just kind of stay right there and look at me. That's good. Great. Really cute. And then let's just kind of move in tight.
We're in Pittsburgh. What time is it? 2 a.m. I'm so excited! I really just want to go home and sit in my bed for the rest of my life, so I'm really not that excited. Did I scare you? Yeah.
Merry Christmas!
Hi! Hi! What do you guys want? What do you want, babies? You can't go out. You don't come back.
You're not invited to the party.
You're uninvited.
You're not invited.
No ham for you. Boop, 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 boop. Come on, Josie, come on. Let's go. Come on, let's go. Stop. Come on, come on, come on. Favorite movie ever? Polar Express! Dodge. Oh no. Oh no. Dodge is playing with Lulu's toy. What are we gonna do? It's a lonely toy now. Dodge got it. Hello, little feet. Look at you guys. You're so cute. You bad puppy. Hi, baby. Hi. Oh, no. Get it. Look at her little feet. Let me get it. I got it. I got it. Don't you're a good girl. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Hi, baby. Mwah.